Is that yummy? Okay, chew those first, please. Okay, thank you. You like them? Are they good? What about your nectarines? Do you like your nectarines? Eat your nectarines. Why not? You don't like the nectarines?
No.
No. Aw. Okay. But you like grapes though. Yeah, you do like grapes. Do you want some grapes instead? Yeah? Oh, do you hear Dora? Oh, is Daddy stealing some? You gonna give it to Daddy? That's the nectarine. Oh, you're gonna have one? Aw. See, they're good. See?
She says, well, if Dad's gonna eat it, I guess I...
Yeah. See, Daddy likes him. Oh, back to the puffs. Okay. I'll let you eat now.
Memory loss is the issue also. We'll talk off camera and see if she tasted it. These are just some of the items, and one last item before we leave. The next health food in America today, the avocado. Eating an avocado every day will give you fiber, it's more good as fat.
Good job. Here, turn the next page. Let's color. Ooh, look at the koala. Good job. Color his nose. Good job. Eye, yeah. Here, let's go. Look at it. Aww. Color its eye, baby. Color its eye. No. What about its nose? Colors his nose? Okay, you could just, okay, just color. You do your thing. Good job.
A, B, C, D.
Yeah, good job. A, B, C, D. Yeah. A, B, C, D. Here, next page. Oh, wow, look at it. Oh. You're coloring Mommy's nose. Thank you. Oh, you're such a good color. Yeah, you're very good.
Thank you, Father God, for just giving us a...
That's purple. 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 This is yellow. This is red. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? That's pink. Okay.